So today I would like to present about our project EcoVsPolluto, which is a two-dimensional video game for the ecosystem awareness. So as we mentioned, our project only use SFML library and with the C++ purely, and this will be our main page, start page, about page, and then our levels. Here, this is our about page. We have a click to donate button, and also we have link to tutorial and link to GitHub. So this is our project numbers, and these are the credits for our project. So this is part of our project, and this will be transferred to NGO, which are solving environmental issues. So for the learning outcome, we learn a basic platform game, and we become familiar with C++ and XML, and we also have effective collaborations and teamwork, and plus design innovations, and also the project management. So the games work quite simple. We have a character, and we just detect a collision detection. And if there is a collision, the character moves, and like the gravity, the collisions to the enemy, jumping, everything is about collisions. And also there are some particle systems with the character here. These are the particles along with the character. So we also had the edit mode. You can use edit mode to edit the map yourself, and also you can delete it. So the energy will not be deteriorated during the edit mode. So to solve the challenge we have encountered during the project, that is maintaining consistent dependency across the diverse devices, we use cmakelist.txt to build our program. So it helped us to make sure all the necessary parts we are using there when we move our program to different devices. So we also use GitHub Action to automate the process, and we built the automations on GitHub Actions, and we have passed every test. So about the coding overview, we have 13 classes, and also we use some theoretical knowledge like polymorphism and inheritance as necessary. So we also use pointers and pass by reference names here to use to mention the explicit refer to the current object. And also we use the smart pointer called unique PTR. It's used to direct manipulations of the object. And for the pass by reference, since the class is the abstract class with the coin and enemy, we pass it by reference. So we also use enum, which is a user-defined type we use to assign the panel objects here, and we have the structure, which includes the tile ID and the vector 2D positions. Here, the vector 2D positions is the variable name, and vector 2D is the type of array from the SFML. So this is our team collaborations. You can get our GitHub here from this QR. So this is me throughout. I contribute to this project for the game logic, code refactoring, GUI management, game state management, etc. Ing and Yanin also contribute to this project in GUI management, level management, game animations, and digital design renovations. So this will be our Q&A. Thank you for watching our presentation. So this is our time to present about the programming part. So to demonstrate the programming, I would like to clone our GitHub here. So first, okay, now you can check it. Okay, now we can check it. Yes. Now we have to build. So we make a directory to put the buildings here. Here we choose to the build and cmake dot dot. So this will uh, compile everything in the code, and also this cmate will copy the things necessary for our building the project. So this is about CMake is about checking compiler and making the dependency diversions better. So here we will get make. So this make is executes every single code we have. And then after this, we can see we had app, which is a Unix executable things. So now we can running this one. So this is our game. So we have many options. Sound off, we can on, we can off. So if we off, we don't have to hear. If we on, we don't have to hear anything. Okay, now we choose to off the sound. So now we don't have to hear any movement. So escape key is used to quit, quite simple. So you can see here, we use arrow keys for the movement, escape key for the escape, pause for P, enter, mouse, and just to edit, but you can just use function 10. So let's play. I use the arrow keys for the basic movements here. The character energy will be reduced by time accordingly, and it will increase again if EX the coins here. And the character eat the coils and gain the energy again. And then we seem to have shortage of energy. Okay, now we have. Okay, when we get the destination, it passes. So you can also restart or you can choose to next level. Let me show you the levels. We have 3 levels divided. So let's see about the programming part. About the programming part, we have we can open our file here. Yes, this one. We use the animations.cpp here. We use the header files to initialize the components of the class, and we also put some additional comments for the users. So about the programming part, basically we apply the polymorphism things here. We have tile functions, tile, which is a basic things here, and then requires an enemy which just directly gain the tile here. So thank you.